Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're doing some Sha Cha Chicken. Alright, so here are the ingredients and let me break it down to you right now. First thing we have is some cornstarch, some sugar, we have some chopped fresh ginger, 2 chicken breasts sliced up, and then we have some green onions along with some minced garlic, some soy sauce, and in that white container is my homemade Sha Cha sauce. Let's go ahead and get this recipe underway. So I'm taking a sliced chicken breast and I'm adding it to a bowl, and I'm also adding at least around about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Alright, put a little extra in there just for a little kick, just a little extra don't hurt nothing. So then I got at least around about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and then I'm gonna put in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Get your hands in there, put those hands to work. We want to make sure that the ingredients is mixed well with every piece of chicken that we have here in this here bowl. Alright, so go ahead and incorporate, mix, stir, do whatever you have to do, but as long as you do it with your hands. Now if you have a wok, you can go ahead and heat that wok up on the stove, but if you don't have a wok, you can go ahead and use a frying pan. But you want to heat your wok up until you see a smoking point. Once that's done, go ahead and add at least 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your wok. Once your oil is heated up, we want to go ahead and dump in our chicken slices, and we want to sear these chicken slices until they are done, until it is thoroughly cooked through. Just a little pink in a few pieces of your chicken, don't worry about it at all. So we're going to take a bowl and put our chicken right in the bowl, and we want to set this to the side. We want to put our wok back on the stove, put about a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil, but now I want you guys to go ahead and add in your ginger. Let this ginger cook for at least around about 1 minute. We want to get some of this here fragrance out of the ginger, and it's only going to take 1 minute for that to happen. After you've allowed your ginger to cook for about 1 minute, I want you to go ahead and add in your garlic, and also add in your sauce, and add in your sugar. Alright, you want to fry this mixture up for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes is all you need to cook this mixture up with. Whatever you do, don't take this mixture over 2 minutes. Don't cook it for 250, don't cook it for 3 minutes, don't cook it for 4 minutes. Don't just sit there and look at it, but cook it for just 2 minutes. Alright, after your 2 minutes is up with cooking this, the next thing we're going to do, y'all, we're going to take all of our cooked chicken that we've set to the side, and we're going to dump it into the sauce. It smells good up in here, up in here, up in here. Y'all better get it going. I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision, if you understand what I'm saying. We need that right now. So go ahead and put your chicken back into the sauce, put your chicken in the sauce, and then go ahead and top it off with your onions, and go ahead and add in just a little bit more of the soy sauce that you do have on hand. I'm using dark soy sauce, so I picked this up at my local Asian market. I tell you guys, if you have a local Asian market next to you, go check it out. Alright, so the next thing we want to do, man, is just cook this here in the wok for at least around about 1 minute. 1 minute is all we need. Alright, but I can tell you something right now. If you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. But let me tell you this, it beautiful in the air because of that garlic flavor, that ginger flavor, the onion flavor, all of that combined. And this dish was, my goodness, I can make this 1,000 times and still wouldn't get tired of it. So go ahead and dress up your plate. Here's the thing, you don't have to spend a lot of time preparing rice just for this dish. Go to the store and get you some Uncle Ben's 90-second rice. Throw that sucker up in the microwave. Once you hear the bell go off on the microwave, plate it up. That's it. Rice is done in 90 seconds. That's all you need. Now with me, as you can see, this dish looks good, but I just can't eat it like this. I got to mix everything together. Got to get my rice in there. Yes, yes. But anyway, y'all, try this recipe. I guarantee you will like it, and you will definitely make this over and over again. First thing I want you guys to do, man, is to like the video, share the video, subscribe to this here YouTube channel, subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I want to say love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.